All week long is the Takata Airbag Awareness Week. We're offering incentives to customers to come in to have this recall completed.
The recall that's underway right now is the largest automotive recall in history. And according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, tragically, over a dozen people have lost their lives so far.
This is probably the most serious recall, one of the most serious recalls we've ever done, because it affects so many cars in the fleet. The recall rate overall right now is about 70%. So it's critical that we continue to work with the automotive industry and independent dealers like Jack to get the message out to the public.
There is no cost to have the recall performed. That's covered by Toyota, so the customer pays nothing for that.
This is more than a recall issue at this point. It's really a public safety issue.
We do want to communicate that directly to our customers, and by having Airbag Awareness Week, we've done kind of over-the-top marketing, and they have responded for our generous offers. If they bring their car in during this week, they do have a lot of premiums that we're giving away complimentary. But we found that the personal touch, calling the customer, has been very successful.
I think I got a letter and then I got a few phone calls. I think that put more pressure to me to bring it over. Because if they're doing a recall, it's got to be a reasonable.
Part of it was this final postcard, and there were the incentives, and my husband kept getting on my case. That was another big one.
Yeah, it is easy to bring it in because first they're going to loan me a car so I can drive back home.
Airbag Awareness Week has been a phenomenal event. When the recall initially came out, we had customers lined up to get the recall done. And then over time, it has dwindled down to quite an alarming amount when you realize how many recalls are still needed to be done. It's an event you need to do.